These are my chickens. I thought I was happy that winter finally ended. But these guys, they're having a field day. This is them pretty much at their cutest. I don't know what it is about it, but I love watching them dig through the dirt. They just seem intelligent, you know, like they have a purpose. They know what they're doing, and they're going to achieve it. The funny thing is, when they were younger, I used to sit with them and dig through the dirt and find worms. But they were so pampered that they wouldn't even eat the worms that I dug up. So to be honest, I have no idea what they're looking for. They're not crazy about bugs. I've never actually seen them eat bugs. So it's almost like they're operating on pure instinct, you know? I think they would eat the bugs if we didn't feed them every day. But you know, we like our chickens fat around here. Ain't gonna starve them just so they'll learn, you know? If the time ever came where we couldn't afford to feed, I believe they'd be able to find stuff on their own. Everything's so dry. It's perfect for making fires. I want to do a campfire soon. Maybe I'll make a video. I don't know. I don't have any marshmallows or chocolate. I have to go to the store and buy it. But this stuff is perfect. It's so dry right now. Perfect. This will light up so easily. You find something? They just bite at the ground. Oh, did you see that? I don't know if I caught that. She actually did eat the worm. Now I look like a liar. I hope that was on there. Well, now we know that they actually would be able to survive on their own. Except there's foxes around here. And if we didn't keep them fenced up, the foxes would take them out. Within 2 weeks, they'd probably all be gone. You hear them sometimes at night. Makes me worried. Because they don't come alone. They come 5, 10 at a time. And I've never actually seen them, which makes them all the more spooky. It's like they're ghosts, just howling in the night. We had one of our males got attacked. He got all banged up, but they didn't kill him. I think they couldn't drag him over the fence, so he got lucky. But not really, we had to put him down. He was so injured. It was sad. I feel like now that it's warm, there's less chance of them getting taken out. But that's just speculation. I just feel like, you know, there's more free game. There'll be more wild animals coming out. So they won't be so inclined to go after ours. And plus, during the summer, there's a lot of tourism in this area. So hopefully all the wolves and foxes and whatever will get scared away. I thought that the crinkling of the leaves would sound pretty good. I'm gonna give it a listen when I get home. Oh look, the other guys are coming. You can see them off in the distance. There's a lot of them. Anyways, that's all for now. Have a good night, folks.